Okay, so he's busy cleaning himself. He's a very clean cat. Today I'm staying home, which is just the way I like it. I'm in my jammy jams and I'm going to be making some veggie dip, cutting up vegetables. So I just thought I would do a little bit of filming today, sort of vlog style. Okay, so total fail on my part. I started to make the dip without filming anything. I was just in the zone. I was on a roll. So all it is 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 packet of Hidden Valley Ranch dips. So I've already put these 3 items into the bowl, and now I'm just gonna dump in the dip. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy, but I'm gonna try. And I'm not gonna be able to stir this with one hand. That's all stirred up. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours to let it chill. By the way, this recipe is from Brad's mom. I'm not sure where she got it, but it is so good, and we've made this for years. And I think the trick is to use real mayo instead of Miracle Whip, and that's what makes it taste so good. This is disappointing. Look what I did to my stovetop. I wasn't watching. I'm making spiced hot dogs, and when I was making the sauce that goes over top of them, I was washing some vegetables and I wasn't paying attention, and yeah, you see what happens.